Okay, today I'm gonna show you whenever your JBL is not working properly, or whenever your JBL is not charging anymore. So I'm gonna show you how you can fix it or check what's the problem. So let's see, this one was not charging. So all you gotta do is in order to check, you can get something like this or a little bit stronger than this, because and then you can yeah, since once you get one corner, just hold it and try to bring it. Yeah, just try not to break it. Yeah, just try not to break it. And once you get this one, just come all around the corner, and you're gonna do the same thing too right here. You're gonna try to, yeah, because you don't want to break all this. And since I already opened it one time, so it's easy for me to work on this one. That's how I do it, but really carefully. You don't want to break it. Yeah. Then once this is, before you take this thing out, once you take this thing out, you're gonna come over here and take that. We have 4 screws. 1, 2, and 3, 4 screws. You're gonna take them out first before you take this plastic off. So you take them out and then you take this off, right? And you're gonna do the same thing when you put this one back too. When you put it back, you put the plastic first. You put this plastic first, and then you put the screws, and then you put this one back out. You gotta come either way. You can come over here, and you're gonna use since you're doing it, you're gonna do it the first time. You're gonna get something like in this corner, something strong or harder. Yeah, you're gonna hear whenever it's working. I mean, you're gonna hear that all the clips, and then you're gonna come over here and put some pressure real hard and try not to break it. But if you break it, that's it. Probably it's not that's it, but it's gonna be broken. So once you're over here, all you gotta do is take these 4 screws, take them out, and then you're gonna pull this one, and you're gonna open this thing right here. Right, you're gonna pry it like that, and then I'm gonna show you right here, since I got another one already open. So, and this one is the same. I'm gonna show you what should be the problems. Okay, once you take all these 4 screws right here, just take this out. Just take it out. But it's not gonna, since I unfixed this one, I already unplugged all these things right here. So I mean, just take it like a little bit right here. You don't need to unplug anything. Once it's over here, let's say it's gonna be like right here. So just all you gotta do is come over here and take this out. Okay, and then you're gonna come over here and this might be the problem. This was the problem with my JBL, right? Because it wasn't doing contact. It's fixed now, but it was like kind of it was going like this right here. It was like just like that. So all you gotta do is just come over here and push it, you know, come over here and try to push it all the way in, which, yeah, just push it all the way in. Yeah, once it's all the way in, yeah, you can try it. I mean, you can just press this thing right here before you put everything back. Yeah, before you put everything back, you can check if it's working. And let's see, this one is working, right? You see some light, and it's blinking. So that means you fixed it. You're ready to go now. But if that's not the problem, you can check for the battery. Sometimes this is like bad. Sometimes you're gonna have a bad battery. So this one is right here. All you gotta do in order to take the battery out, all you gotta do is take these two screws out, and then you're gonna come over here and you're gonna try to get this out of the way. It's easy changing the battery. The battery is easy, right? Just not too hard, because you don't want to break the wires. And then just pull it, and that's the battery for the battery, right? And then you got a new one. Let's say you got a new one now. Let's say your battery was bad. All you gotta do is put it back right here. Just slide it down and press it. And test it whenever, you know. Let's say that's a new battery that you put on your device, and let's say it's working. That was the battery, and yeah, that's how you change. That's how you take it out, and that's how you change. And then just put this cover back. Just put it back and screw it, and boom, 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 boom. Yeah, that's it. And that should be the problem, because that was the problem with mine. This cable that wasn't tight at all. That's tightened. So, or if you wanna take the speakers out, just right here, 4 screws, and change the speakers, whatever you wanna do with it. Or if you wanna check the Bluetooth cable, flex cable for volume up and down, that's the one right here. And it comes all the way, let's see where it comes all the way over here. That's for this one. That's for the volume and Bluetooth, whatever. Comes right here. And okay, now let's put it back. Let's say I'm gonna put this one back, so I'm gonna come over here. And if you wanna, let's say, if you wanna change colors, that's fine too. If you wanna make it look black, all black, since I got 2, we can just put this one right here too. And you know, and then put this one over here, and it's gonna look all black. And that's gonna be in another time, because what I'm trying to do right now is just put everything back where it belongs. So just come over here, and don't forget your 4 screws first. I'm gonna put your 4 screws right here. Since I'm showing you right now, I'm not gonna worry about doing the 4 screws. I'm just gonna show you how to put this back in place. First you gotta do it this way. If you try to do another way, it's gonna be a pain for you to try to put this back on. So just lift a little bit, and you hear the click. That's ready. Okay. So, and then you come over here. You're gonna put this one first. Shine it a bit. Okay, you come over here. Make sure you click it, and then you come around the corner and put some pressure right here. You hear the clicking noise, and you're ready to go now. Yeah, that's it. Easy, right? Now your JBL is working again.